Go for it.
Okay. So I'm going to be replacing an LCD on my Inspiron 15R. You can see it's broken. In the comment section I put where I got it from, so definitely was the best deal. So I'll show you how easy it is. It actually is a lot easier than most people think. First step, shut everything off. Make sure no power's in it. My cord's not here. You need to pull the battery. Obviously you know how to do that, hopefully. Maybe I don't. There we go. So the battery's out, no power to it. Now you're going to pull this cover off. Normally it might need to be popped off like a flathead or something. Pretty simple to do. You can squeeze a fingernail and get that out. Okay, so it covers off. There's going to be there's 8 screws in total, 2 on the top and then 6 on the bottom. Pretty simple. Just make sure you have a small Phillips. Remove these. And once these are all removed, I'll start up again. Stop.
Rolling.
Okay, so taking out this last screw, this thing will pop off. You'll see that. That's just the back cover. It's no big deal. Make sure they're teeny screws. You might lose one, so just try to be gentle. So now, here, you can come look at this. There is going to be a little plug right here. I think it's easiest to just disconnect that for now. Let the back panel fall down. And then this is still in the bracket. There's still a couple screws, so we're going to have to take it out of the bracket. But yeah, so you can see there's screws on these 4 corners. We'll take those out, and then the bracket will pop out of the bracket, and then we'll take out the ribbon cable, and then I'll show you that. So thanks.
Rolling.
Okay, so we're just going to undo this last screw. You can see it's popping out of the bracket already. These are shorter, and they're different than the other screws, so keep them separate. These are teeny, so it's really easy to get lost. But so the LCD should pop out of the bracket. And look back here. So now we only have to undo one ribbon cable. This is taped down, but it's pretty weak. So we're gonna pop this ribbon cable out. Just slide down. Ribbon cable's gone. Untape all this stuff up here. It's just to make things easier. And it's off. So our old LCD is gone, and the new LCD is coming in. And stop. Just remove the plastic cover that's on it for shipping. Be gentle. Don't want to break another one. Basically, we're just going to reverse what we just did. So, yeah.
Performing surgery?
Yes. On camera, actually.
Oh.
Covers off. So now you just have to make sure that is on the bottom of the board, the main board, because obviously it needs to plug in. So we're going to pop it back in, get this cable out of the way. Then we're going to screw it into the brackets. This is the easiest if you have another person helping you, but I'll do it by myself. So just, the same thing, just pull these screws back in and show you when I do my last one. That's in the back bracket again. Just make sure the holes are lining up. Which mine isn't exactly. that screw is in. So that's probably the most tough part of the process. It is easier with two people if you have somebody holding this, but you can do it yourself. So we're going to do the same cable. We're going to end up popping this in. Really pretty simple. Make sure it's secure. So that's in all the way. Tape it down. Follow this tape down. This connection's obviously the most important one, so you have to make sure that's secure. And then we're going to pop this one back in. Now bring the screen back to the cover. And that tape should now get back on the back of that. And then we're going to replace all four of these, whatever. Let's see, 8 of these screws. And then pop the cover back on and we'll start it up. So.
And we're rolling.
Okay, so I guess I lost one screw in the process, but it doesn't really matter. As long as you get these all the corners in. I'm going to skip one screw. Probably find it underneath my laptop somewhere, but no reason to fret right now. Last screw in. Pop the cover back on. Really just pinch it with your fingers. Start it in all 4 corners. Top. Make sure you get the top. And the bottom as well. Bottom might not be that firm. That's just how it's designed. Because that's where it closes. So. That should be good. Whew. Okay. Now, pop the battery back in. And the moment of truth. Power on. Give it a minute. LCD is on and we're replaced. Thank you very much. Start when it's